Hello, how you all doing today? This is my Rose Jam Essentials. Okay, so I'm going old school style, y'all. I'm going old school style. I'm gonna cook some popcorn. Y'all see the popcorn? I'm cooking some popcorn old school style. I don't want it in a microwave. No radiations. I want, you know what I'm saying? Regular popcorn. Yeah, I know they make it these days. Remember the old kind they used to put over the stove and it was aluminum foil and there's a pop in the skillet? Well, this time it's you can put it in a microwave, but if you put it in a microwave, no telling what you may get. You know what I'm saying to you? Y'all stay healthy out there. Okay? Microwave, as how she say, I'm survivor vegan. Microwave is micrograve. So I ain't in a rush to put, you know what I'm saying? I ain't in a rush to get no put no popcorn in no microwave. So I'm gonna cook it like this, old fashioned style, okay, y'all? So I just want y'all to know what's going on. I'll see y'all till y'all later. I'll let y'all know how it turned out later. All right, talk to you later, my Rose Jam Essentials.